Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Wow. In this video, I'm going to talk about a question that I received when it comes to government cleaning contracts. And the question was, if I don't meet all the requirements, should I still fill out that bid solicitation? Well, the answer could be yes and no. So let me explain both. There are times that you do not meet the requirements when it comes to references. Maybe they're asking for 5 and you only have 1. If no one else who submits the bid have any that are close to what you have, guess what? The contracting officer could determine that they need you, reach out to you and decide to give the contract to you, your cleaning company. Now, there could be times if it's like a score system that if you don't come close, there's no way you're even going to be able to do the bid as far as the points, the score, the system. So in that case, they will probably send it back out and look and see if they can get what they're looking for a little closer. So it's kind of like up in the air, and you may decide that it's worth sending it out. There's nothing that can happen except for they may decide to go and submit the bid out again, as opposed to maybe reaching out to you and allowing you to be able to give them an explanation on what you can do to make sure that you're ready to take on this work. So I would say throw it up and look and see if you can go ahead and send it out. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So if you want to learn more about what you can do for government cleaning contracts, then guess what you can do? You can attend my free masterclass this morning. That's right. It's going to be at 10:30 Eastern time. Love to see you there. Bring your pen, paper, and your questions. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.